In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a diagonal line in a Google Sheets cell. It's a great way to separate data within a single cell, often used for labeling both rows and columns at the same time. We'll walk through this process one step at a time to ensure it's crystal clear. First, let's get started by opening up Google Sheets. Simply go to your preferred web browser, head over to Google Sheets, and open up the document you want to work with. If you need to start from scratch, you can create a new document by clicking the plus sign. Once your Google Sheet is open and ready, move your attention to the menu bar at the top. You're going to click on Insert. This will display a drop-down menu with several options. From here, decide on the Drawing option. Click on it to open the drawing canvas, where we will add our diagonal line. Inside the drawing canvas, there's a toolbar at the top. Locate the Line tool by hovering over the icons until you find one that highlights as line. Click on this to begin creating your line. Click in the canvas area and drag the cursor across to draw out a diagonal line shape. As you drag, feel free to adjust the starting and ending points to create the precise line length and angle you need. After drawing your line, you have the option to customize it. Head over to the Line Color button found on the toolbar to choose a color that suits your spreadsheet theme or makes your line stand out. Follow this by clicking on Line Weight to adjust the thickness of your line, giving it a bolder or lighter appearance as needed. I suggest a weight of around 3px for a good balance, but it's entirely up to your preference. Enhance your line's visual style by clicking on Line Dash. This lets you select from different line styles such as solid or various dashed patterns. For example, you could choose a broken line pattern to give it a unique look. Now that you've personalized your diagonal line to your liking, finalize your drawing by clicking on the Save and Close button at the top right of the canvas. This action will place the finished line onto your Google Sheets document. At this point, you have the freedom to adjust the line's position within your spreadsheet. Click to select it, then drag and drop it into the desired cell. You can resize or reposition as necessary, ensuring the diagonal line precisely fits the cell's dimensions for optimal visual impact. And there you have it. You've successfully added a diagonal line to your Google Sheets. This simple yet effective technique can make managing and displaying information more structured and visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy organizing with Google Sheets.